What's going on, everybody out there in YouTube land? All right, here we go. We're gonna have Ray. He's demonstrating his Fogline Software Owner Operator Edition program. He sent me his video, so that's what we're gonna see next. But before that, we're gonna thank all the subscribers and everybody who watches my channel. So here's Ray.
Hello drivers, I'm Ray White with Fogline Software, bringing you the all-new Trucknpro Owner Operator Edition. Drivers, this edition is custom designed for the single owner operator. Whether you're a lease operator leased to a company, or if you're an owner operator with your own authority, or even if you're an auto hauler, we have you covered with this Trucknpro Owner Operator Edition. It has everything you need in it that you would need to operate your business successfully. Quick, easy to use. In the revenue form, this is where you'll keep up with all of your trips, information, easy navigation, keep up with your client, your contacts, loads, your seals, weights, load types, all of your city and state pickups, your load category, what all your pace categories are. It automatically calculates everything over here for you. For the auto haulers, this is an option you can activate, and it keeps up. You can load all of your cars or vehicles that you haul. I also have some customers that are using this that are hauling the golf carts, farm tractors, equipment, stuff like that. It comes in handy for that also. Next tab over will be all your pickup and drops. You'll keep up with all your pickup and drops. This is unlimited. You may have multiple pickups, multiple drops, LTL. It handles it all. It can keep up with the date and time arrival, your appointment time, depart time. It will automatically calculate your detention pay. Keeps up with the customers you're delivering to or picking up from. It also has a built-in email modules built out through the program, so you can email anybody. Say if this you picked up here for this customer and you're dealing with this agent on this load, and you might need to shoot them an email, let them know that you got loaded. All you have to do is just click that button. It automatically fills in his email address. Just put a subject, type your message, click send, shoot him an email right to him there for him. So that is really handy for that. Keep up with all your fuel expenses, whether it's your tractor fuel, your reefer fuel, your diff fuel. It keeps it all up in here. It keeps all you up with all your truck stops information, your payment, your quantity, your advances, your invoice number. You can also scan in. If you have a scanner in your truck, you can also scan in copies of your fuel receipt right with that one fuel record. And it will keep up all your fuel receipts and paperwork. You can go paperless. Has a conversion calculator. This will convert your gallons to liters, liters to gallons, or miles to kilometers, kilometers to miles, in case you go up into Canada, or if the Canadian trucks comes down here. Keep up with all of the expenses for that trip. Keep up with your route. This will also come in handy to do your IFTA filing to file your IFTA online. Then the last tab over, after you put all your information in, it breaks everything down for you, all your profit and loss, shows you all your expenses, your totals, cost per mile. It's all in there for you, driver. It'll tell you everything you did for this one trip. You can also, on the load documents, you can scan in any paperwork pertaining to this one trip right here, and they all stay with this one trip. And you can scan them all in or import them in. It saves as a PDF file, or you can import PDF files, and you can also email them. If you need to email this document to somebody, just click the email button. It automatically generates the PDF file, it attaches it to the email, and it automatically puts the email in there. All you do is type your subject, your message, click send, and it shoots it right out to whoever you need to send it to. If you need to do invoicing, if you have your own authority and you do your own billing, we have a great invoice feature system built right into it. So once you fill out all your invoices, you can print the invoice out, or if you want to email them, just click one button and it will automatically email them right to your customer. And we also have the e-fax service built in here too, if you have if anybody uses a fax machine anymore these days. But it is available. If you have e-fax service and you need to fax it to somebody, you can just click the e-fax and it will fax it right to their fax machine. So we have you covered on that. And you can print out your trip report and your route report. Move right on. You can keep up with it. It has a shipper-receiver database in here. This is what you can keep up with all your customers, shippers and receivers that you deliver to. You can also pull them up on Bing Map. And this will pull up a map. You can pre-plan yourself right here. So you can zoom in and zoom out and see the road right where you're going to, right where you're going to deliver to. You can zoom into the satellite map. You can see the warehouse. Zoom right in, and it'll show you right where you're going to, where the trucks will go in at, so you can pre-plan yourself before you ever make that delivery. So you keep up with all of the contacts, and if you need to email them, just click the button beside it. It'll send the email right to them. The broker clients or your agents who you book these loads for will keep up the whole database in this. Keeps up everything they need right here. Keeps up with the main company information, all of the contacts that work at that company. You can has the e-fax, has the email. Just click a button, shoot them right an email to them. Has their map features in it. Has call notes feature built into it. You can keep up with their detention pay, what they normally charge for or pay you for detention and hours. It keeps up with their insurance company if you need it. It will show you all the loads you've pulled for that agent. You can scan documents right in for that agent that you may need. On and on. It's all in here for you, driver. Everything you would ever need. Keep up with all your expenses. Has expense database in it. So you can put all of it in. If any expense is truck or trailer related, all you have to do is put a check mark over here in that MR, and it will automatically add it to your maintenance report. So when you get ready to run your monthly maintenance report, all you have to do is go over to the report form, put in the date range you want to run it, and it will automatically fill everything out for you on your maintenance report. And also, if this is a say a truck PM service, all you have to do is put your truck number, put your mileage, put a check mark in the PM, and the program will monitor your miles. And the next time your PM comes due, the program will notify you, let you know that your PM is due. You can scan in receipts or copies of the invoice of that expense. You can sort out your expenses if you need to go find them. It's all built in, easy sorting. Truck stop database. We have a whole new truck stop database preloaded with over 1,400 major truck stops already in here, listed in here. You can just click on one you want, click view detail, pulls everything up about that truck stop. Or you can also just click the button beside it, and it will take you to that truck stop's particular website with all of their information right there in it. So this is the pilot. It's going to pull them up. It's going to show you where it's at, and it's going to show you their daily fuel prices and all their accommodations, everything they have for that one particular truck stop. You can sort these out. If it has all of Loves, TAs, Petros, Flying J's, Pilot, AM Best. So if you want to sort them out and find a particular one, say you need all the Petros, just click Petro, say sort. And now it sorts everything out. That's all your Petros. You need to narrow it on down for a search, say Georgia, Petro. Click that, and that's going to pull up just all the Petros right here in Georgia. So you have a great truck stop database here. Keep up with all your vendors in here, everybody that you purchase anything from, the truck stops, insurance, phone bills, anything, the whole vendor database. Has the truck database in here to put all your truck information in, everything about it. You can put a photo about it. Maintenance, it will show all the maintenance, all your maintenance records you've done to the truck. So if you need to go back and find a particular one, keeps it all right there together. If you have your own trailer, keeps up with the same thing and all the maintenance for your trailer. If you have an APU unit, generator unit on your truck, we will also have that covered. We have a log recap calculator in here. This is just a quick pre-planning recap calculator. We also have some pre-planning features in here also. We have this truck router. You can put the truck router in here. This is strictly truck routing. So you can run your route, and it will run you strictly truck routing. It will also give you your total state mileages, state you run in, your total state mileages that you would need to fill in your route or your IFTA reports. It's all in there. You can also run a route. Go back, we have this trip planner, so you can type in different destinations that you want to run, and it will pull it up on the map. You can zoom in. It's going to give you your average hours, your total miles that way, or if you need to pre-plan yourself, you can say, well, I need to come down this way, so you can change that route and it will reroute it and give you your new mileage, so you can pre-plan yourself with all these routing features in here. Moving on, it also has the Diem Pro loaded in here, the program. This will keep up with all your days out on the road, so it will calculate your per diem for you, your taxes. At the end of the year, when you get ready to do your taxes, this automatically calculates all of your per diem taxes for you and shows you how much you're going to be able to write off at the end of the year. So it has the Diem Pro all built into it. Personal phone book, keep up with friends and families and anniversaries, keep up with all your clients, insurance companies. It also has a word writer program built right into it, and it is database driven. So it's kind of like the Document Master, but this is a word writer, your word processor, so you could fix all of your letterheads, your business posable letters, and keep them all in different categories. Also have the ones that's doing the invoicing. It has an invoice status. Keep up with the information about all your invoices, outstanding invoices, the due invoices, past due, paid invoices. So it really monitors and keeps up with all your invoices. All the reports is all the reports you would need. Everything is done pretty much date range. Just put in your start date, end date, maybe truck and trailer. It'll give you all your revenue by date, profit and loss by date. The profit and loss, it'll break everything down on one sheet of paper and show you everything you need in that one report you'll be able to do your taxes with too. It breaks it down and shows you your cost per mile for every expense. Also have a FYI, this will pull up a quick form here, a year to date, and it will give you a breakdown and show you of everything that your business is actually doing. You can change this date and run it whatever date range you want, but this is a quick overview to show you all your mileages, averages, your fuels and expenses. Just gives you a quick overview of what your business is actually doing. But we have many reports in here for different things in here, your expenses, your fuels, your reefer fuel, diff fuel, on and on, your IFTA report, your maintenance reports. It's all in here for you, everything you would need. Also have the all new Document Master digital file cabinet. This is built out through the whole program right here. You can go paperless with your whole business. You can scan all your paperwork in here, organize it by different categories just like you would a regular file cabinet in your file folders. All of this saves as PDF files automatically. You can just scan anything in and it'll save it as PDF file, or if you already have PDF documents, you can import them right into it. And it also has the email and the fax service built right into this. If you have a document in here, you need to send a copy up to somebody, it's all in here covered for you. The utilities, you have your company profile, set everything up in your company profile. Now you can set the program up to where it will run flat rate, mileage, percentage, tonnage, or hourly. Whatever suits you, it will set up just for you that way. You can custom design your invoice message, your email signature, and your company logos. It already comes preloaded with 2 logos in here, but you can custom design and import your own personal company logos in here that will show up in all of the reports for you. Has a built-in backup database system in it, so you can back up your critical data to an external hard drive or wherever you want to keep it backed up. Just once you set it up, you click one button and it keeps all your data backed up. It also has a blank bill of lading in here. If you need to fill out a bill of lading, just click this button. It will pull up a blank bill of lading, and you can fill it out, type it out, or print it out and send it right out to you. So this is the all-new Trucknpro Owner Operator Edition. Drivers, I believe this program will help you manage your business and keep your business between the lines. So download the copy of it here. Try it out. The download is the full version. No limitations to it. So download it and get started today with the all-new Owner Operator Trucknpro Edition.